In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Afterpay card to your Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so in order to add your Afterpay card to Google Wallet on an NFC capable Android device, from here we need to go ahead and download and install the Afterpay app on your mobile device. Then go ahead and sign in and create your account if you haven't. Then from there, simply go to the In-Store tab of the bottom of the page. Then there should be a Pay in Store option, and then set up the card. And then while you're setting up the card, choose the Add to Wallet. This will bring up Google Wallet. You'll receive a SMS with a verification code. Enter it in the Afterpay app, then tap Next to continue. Then from there, your Afterpay card will now be added to your Google Wallet as a virtual payment card, and we can go ahead and check this by opening up our Google Wallet, and it should appear in the main screen of your Google Wallet and alongside all of your other cards.